Baby robin. Watch out for that mother. Baby bird. The mother. She's gonna get me. Don't get me. I'm just looking at him. Hey. Show your head. Speak. That mother's gonna attack me sometime, I know it. Hopefully I'll get it on video. There's one, I guess. I hear your mother. Beep. There's your mom. She's over there. See? I think there's the mother. Just looking. Two birds in there, see? Mother don't like me looking at these babies. They don't do much. Sit there and wait for food, I guess. Getting ready to leave the nest, aren't you? You look like a robin. He wants you to leave the nest. You can do it. Fly away. I think the mother still might attack me. Ah, you can do it. You can do it. Leave. Wow, see, it left the nest. Isn't that amazing? Oh. And there's the mother. Look, I got one more worm before you leave. Come back. It's too soon. It's only been 11 days. Is somebody else in there? Anybody else in there? Thought there was another one in there. Well, that's good we got to see that baby robin leave the nest. I wonder if she'll move back here next year. Alright. We'll be back.